Alright, what's up YouTube? NY FanCam01 2015 Fleer Retro just dropped off. Hopefully something decent. Most of the boxes I've done of this stuff have been through like a different breaker on Breakers.tv. So this is my second box I've actually opened in person. So here we go. Hopefully a PNG green. I've pulled two of those already out of my 6 or 7 boxes, and or Jambalaya. Pulled 2 of those also. Okay, 2 mini boxes. Hopefully something decent. I'll try to make this a quicker video if I can. This camera uploads in 4K or 1440 or whatever. It's crazy. It takes forever to upload a video. My internet's pretty fast, but I don't know. That 4K stuff is probably the reason it takes forever. Hopefully a PNG green or a nice sketch or a Jambalaya. That's what we're shooting for here. Alright, here we go. Those Jambalaya cards are definitely my favorite. So that's what we're going for the most. Scarlet Witch base, Thor, EX, Droom. Let me pull this camera view back some. There we go, Droom, EX, Daredevil, and Vision. I'll just put these over here. This camera's new. I like it pretty good, but it does take forever to upload videos. I guess because of the way it actually shoots in that 4K. Thanos, Medal of Ultron, Spider-Man. It is a non-variant. That's cool. Spider-Man, Kingpin, and Havoc. Alright, come on Jambalaya, make my day. I've got some really nice cards coming back from Beckett soon. 4 Marvel Retro cards, you'll see. I'll do a mail day when they come. Luke Cage, Storm, Nova, Metal. I actually pulled the green PNG of that recently in a break online. The Nova green number 10. Storm, Flare, Nick Fury. Enchantress, Spider-Woman, Doctor Strange, Flare, MODOK, and Rocket Raccoon. It's about time for a Jambalaya, guys. It'd be nice to hit another one. I've done really well with this product. Blade, Wolverine, Captain America, that's cool. Old school 1960 or whatever, Fleer. Black Widow, Flare card, standard, Cyclops base. I hope this camera view is decent. I know the shadow kind of sucks. So far, nothing really. Mystique, Colossus, Loki, Agent Venom, Ghost Rider. I don't think I've missed any artist autographs yet. No, we just haven't got anything yet. Spider-Man, Quicksilver, Elektra autograph by June Brigman. Gold Ink Elektra. There's the Elektra base. I want to do a case of this product really soon. They're actually pretty priced decently, I guess. I don't know. Leader, Doctor Strange, and a red PMG of Vision. Vision red, number 79 of 100. Base and base. So there's my PMG, I guess. Vision PMG. Iron Fist, Juggernaut, autograph of the Punisher. Silver ink, it's gonna be Kenneth Rocafort. Spider-Woman and Mysterio. Ant-Man on the back. Hawkeye. Here's my sketch card, so here we go. Thor. Falcon is my sketch. Red Hulk, non-variant. Falcon sketch. I don't know who did that. I guess 2 people teamed up to do this sketch. I don't know. I don't know if that's a good one or not. I'm new to this stuff. There's the back. 1 of 1. Daniel Benitez and Arturo Ramirez. Falcon. Looks cool. I don't know if it's going or not. It looks cool though. I like it. So, alright. That was mini box number 1. And now we'll go to this one. So we've got our sketch and our PMG. So I don't know, maybe a jambalaya here. All right. Captain America base, Mr. Sinister, Deadpool medal, I like that. Captain America regular back, looks cool. Dang, star-studded. I thought I saw it was a die cut, hoping it was jambalaya. Star-studded, Fleer Focus, Gladiator, looks cool. Another PMG, and it's red. Nova, Punisher, Black Panther. It's got a refractor line though. It sucks. Deadpool, Black Panther, 22 of 100. It's got pretty hardcore refractor line. I'll show you in just a minute. All right, you can see it big time. Who cares? It'll be a PC card. See over here. Refractor line. Still cool. So I got 2 PMGs. Both red. No blue, no green. Black Widow. Captain America autograph from Michael Zeck. Star-Lord, Spider-Man, Red Skull, standard back, Black Panther. So nothing crazy yet. Not my best box. She-Hulk, Ultron, Bullseye autograph. I've got 2 of those. 4 packs left. Any more? Any more again? Venom, standard. 3 packs to go. Hulk, Sabretooth, Iron Man, Captain America. It's really not a good box. Kind of maybe the worst one I've opened yet. Scarlet Witch, Hope, Storm, Vision, Red Skull, last pack. Thor, Leader, Captain America, Iron Fist, Variant, and that'll do it. Not a good one though. Thanks for watching.